Hi everyone, we're back with another advanced listening exercise in English. Today we've got a B2 level listening exercise about British music and we'll cover some of the most influential artists throughout history. Before starting though, I think it's important to set the scene on the impact and the relevance of British music. So, British music has had a profound impact on the global music scene, and artists and bands, especially during the 1960s, achieved massive success and popularity worldwide. Musicians have often been at the forefront of musical innovation, and whether it's the British punk movement of the late 1970s, the emergence of Britpop in the 1990s, or the ongoing evolution of electronic dance music, British artists continually develop music trends internationally. And lastly, one important thing to mention is that British artists have used music to voice their opinions on social, political, and cultural matters. It served as a platform for addressing societal challenges and advocating for change. So you really can learn a lot about British culture through music. So moving on then to noteworthy artists, first we have Ed Sheeran. So Ed Sheeran was born on February the 17th, 1991 in Halifax, West Yorkshire, UK. From a young age, he showed a deep passion for music and learned to play the guitar and piano. Growing up, he was inspired by various music genres, including folk, hip hop, and R&B, which would later shape his unique musical style. In his late teens, Ed Sheeran moved to London to pursue his music dreams. He began performing in small venues and independently released music, building a devoted following. His hard work and determination caught the attention of media industries and professionals. Ed Sheeran's musical talent has earned him numerous awards, including several Grammy Awards and Brit Awards. Critics and fans praise his authentic and relatable lyrics, connecting with listeners on a deep level. So moving on then, we have the Beatles. The Beatles formed in Liverpool, England in 1960 with four members: John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison and Ringo Starr. In 1963, the Beatles released their debut album, Please Please Me, which became an instant success in the UK. However, it was their appearance on the Ed Sullivan Show in the US in 1964 that launched them to stardom. The Beatles' influence extended beyond music. They played a significant role in shaping the counterculture movement of the 1960s, with their messages of peace, love, and social change resonating with the generation. Even after their breakup in 1970, the Beatles' music continued to captivate audiences. Each member pursued successful solo careers, but their collective impact as the Beatles remained unparalleled. So, Coldplay. Coldplay was formed in London in 1996, consisting of four members: Chris Martin, Johnny Buckland, Guy Berryman and Will Champion. They gained recognition with their debut album, Parachutes, released in 2000, featuring hits like Yellow and Trouble. Several factors contributed to their widespread acclaim and enduring popularity. Firstly, Coldplay's emotive and melodic music resonated deeply with listeners. Their ability to craft heartfelt and relatable songs, combined with Chris Martin's soulful vocals, established a strong emotional connection with fans. Secondly, the band's musical versatility allowed them to experiment with various genres, seamlessly blending alternative rock, pop, and electronic elements. This fusion of styles enabled Coldplay to appeal to a diverse audience and maintain their relevance over time. Thirdly, their dynamic live performances further fueled their success. Coldplay's concerts became immersive experiences, with visuals and passionate energy that left audiences awe-inspired. From her humble beginnings in Tottenham, London, Adele Laurie Blue Atkins, known professionally as Adele, embarked on her musical journey with determination and passion. Her debut album, 19, released in 2008, showcased her exceptional talent and set the stage for her success. In addition to her musical talents, Adele's charismatic and down-to-earth personality contributed to her likability. Her genuine and relatable nature made her a role model for many, breaking the traditional mold of a pop star. Comprising 4 immensely talented musicians, Freddie Mercury, Brian May, Roger Taylor and John Deacon, Queen's musical journey began in London, where their passion for experimentation led to their fame. Their groundbreaking fusion of rock, opera and theatrical elements created a distinctive sound that set them apart from other bands. Freddie Mercury's vocal range, coupled with Brian May's guitar skills, made their performances truly memorable. Queen's ability to unite diverse audiences through their music was another key aspect of their success. Their universal anthems like We Will Rock You and We Are the Champions became rallying cries for fans worldwide. Oasis, the iconic British band formed in 1991, became a sensation that captivated the world. Their success can be attributed to their charismatic frontman, Liam Gallagher, and the gifted songwriting of his brother, Noel Gallagher. Their debut album, Definitely Maybe, released in 1994, announced their arrival as a force to be reckoned with within the music scene. Oasis's rise to fame was fueled by a string of hit singles including Wonderwall and Don't Look Back in Anger, which resonated with a generation hungry for authentic music. The Arctic Monkeys, a British indie rock band formed in 2002, quickly rose to prominence with their raw and energetic sound, epitomizing the indie rock revival of the 2000s. Their success can be attributed to their exceptional songwriting, led by frontman Alex Turner, whose insightful lyrics and distinctive vocal style garnered a devoted fanbase. The Arctic Monkeys' debut album, Whatever People Say I Am, That's What I'm Not, released in 2006, became the fastest selling debut album in UK chart history, propelling them to international fame. Amy Winehouse, a gifted British singer-songwriter, gained global recognition for her soulful voice, jazz-inspired sound and poignant songwriting. Amy's second track, Back to Black, released in 2006, earned critical acclaim and numerous awards, including 5 Grammy Awards. Hits like Rehab and You Know I'm No Good showcased her immense talent and established her career. And lastly, the Rolling Stones. Led by the frontman Mick Jagger and the guitarist Keith Richards, the Rolling Stones gained fame for their remarkable performances and rebellious spirit, embodying the essence of rock and roll. Their success can be attributed to their ability to fuse blues, rock and R&B, creating a distinctive sound that resonated with audiences across generations. Their influence on popular culture, fashion and rock music is immeasurable, inspiring countless artists and shaping the rock and roll landscape for decades. So there we have it. There's a very brief overview of British music. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful. And also let me know who your favourite British artists are.